chores on the farm. I drive a Honda ATV, and currently I'm hauling peanuts. I hit the gate on accident. I'm sorry, Papa. That's what I call my grandpa, because he actually owns this farm. Right now we're taking all this to the burn pile. That's our John Deere barn. Not sponsored. And as we drive, I'll just keep y'all out. Some older vehicles. We have a Ford dump truck and a GMC dump truck. Eat beef, that is what we love. Eat beef. That's really good. We have scrapers over there. Those are my dad's. My dad is a construction worker. My dad actually owns a company. It's called Ventura Construction. And I am sponsored. Yes, my dad paid me a little bit of money to do Ventura Construction. We're in Boone County, Kentucky. Also, keep in mind that I'm having a stockyards video. Yes, another stockyards video, but this stockyards video is gonna be different. We're gonna be showing you like what's happening behind the scenes, pretty much. Because I will show you. And guess what? We're even gonna hopefully get to watch our cows sell. Yeah, that's right. You guys get to watch my cows sell. Alright guys, I am going to just kind of keep doing this for a minute. Fast forward if you want to. I don't care. Oh my god! Let's just get out of the vehicle. Aha! Got one. This is our burning cow shit pile. It's been burning. For how long? We have no clue. We lit it like 3 weeks ago. None of this stuff is coming at me. Ah! Wow, I brought the whole load out. Yeah, that's nice. Make sure you all turn your smell meters down on your TVs. Woo! It stinky. Look at that itch on my forehead. Huh, this is following me. It's gonna come on. Get this branch. I'm gonna throw it on top of that smoke. Maybe it'll catch. That's what my main goal is right here to do. Now, y'all keep in mind, I'm turning 13 on July 23rd, and it's July. So guess what? Turn 13 here in a little bit. I cannot wait. Also, I'll be posting my birthday video, I guess. Because why not? 3, 2, 1. That felt nice. Alright, one more. One itty bitty more. And beautiful. that catches fire, I'll be happy. Okay, get back into the thing. Drink my sports drink. Delicious. Oh my god. That's tiring. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys. I gotta get the pork and drink off this thing. Alrighty. So, that's what I have to do today. And, y'all, if you can hear me, y'all know that I feed cows every day. The video right now that has the most amount of views has 1,000 views and it's a YouTube short. Now guys, I just gotta say one thing. Why do 1,000 of y'all care about watching cows eat? I mean, I'm not trying to say anything rude. I'm just saying, like, it's like taking 40 seconds out of your life just watching, like, a couple cows eat. Now, I do have to say one thing. I do like watching it too. Ah, shoot. Ran over my cow shit. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, let's go check out the entire herd. I've been cursing a little bit in this video. I'm not proud of myself. I am not proud of myself at all. So I'm gonna give you all a little bit of a cattle tour. We're just gonna come down here. Now this is actually my work vehicle. I have a few tools, but not a lot. Alright, here's a few of my cows. Oh, there's a heifer. Actually, I have a task to count heifers. So, if y'all can see the purple ear tags, like this girl right here, she has a purple ear tag, that means she's a heifer. She has not given birth yet. And there's Big Mama over there. She's the only one with a bell, so that's why we call her Big Mama, because we can identify her. So that's one. I think there's one back there. No. There's a heifer that has udders. That's not good. Nope, that is a heifer. Alright, good. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a ditch right there. I gotta go around. Oh my god. Oh, there's a lot more over here. She's in the corner. Now she has a purple ear tag, but she ain't a heifer anymore. She's a cow. It's 9, 10, 11. Oh, see that cow all the way back there? I don't think you guys can. She's a heifer right there. I can see that. And there's another heifer, so that's about 12 to 13 heifers. We got 12 to 13 heifers. That ain't bad at all. Excuse me, guys, now. That's not good. We got 12 to 13 heifers. That's not a bad deal today. That is not a bad deal. Thank y'all for tuning in. Well, now, make sure you like and subscribe and click that notification bell, because click that notification bell, you guys get to see the stockyards video. Wahoo! I'm sorry. Guys, I have disappointed you all today. I am very sorry. Here, let me make it up to you. Now I'm just embarrassing myself. Alright, y'all have a great, wonderful day. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and click that notification bell for the stockyards video. I know I already said that. I am sorry. I am wasting your time. See ya. Bye.